Welcome to Shakespeare Review.
So now I'm going to tell you all the ingredients that we're going to use today. So we need to have a fresh Spanish like this. Okay, you can use the green and the red. That's okay. Okay, depend on what you like. And secondly, you need to have a whipping cream a little bit and some butter. And also you need to use this mushroom soup. Okay, I use this because it already have a mushroom inside and it's kind of have a good taste already. And also what you need is
I'm
this,
gonna eat it.
yeah, mozzarella cheese. Okay, and you need this cheddar cheese. Okay, we have to mix it. Now we're gonna start do it. Okay, after you got the Spanish like this, so we need to mix it with all other ingredients. First, you need 1 scoop of butter. Put it in your pan. Add whipping cream. And also you can add meat or any kind of meat that you like. Today I'm gonna add some fish here. Okay, when it's become like this, so you put on your cheddar cheese in. Okay, when it become like this, so you have to close all the lights. Okay, put out the fire because it's be ready. Okay, we're gonna put it in the microwave for a few seconds. Okay, now we put in the place or any bowl that you prepared it. You put the bed on. Okay, after we put it in the bowl like this, so now we're gonna put our mozzarella cheese. Okay, make sure that you put it all over your base. Okay, so you put it in the oven for only 1 minute at the heat at 800 watts. Okay, only 1 minute. Ready. I'm gonna open this and see how it is. Sam, look at this. Look yummy?
Yes, wow.
Okay, so it's gonna look like this. Okay, now I'm gonna add some to make it good smell, oregano. Okay, now I'm gonna let you taste a little bit of this because it's quite hot. Okay, mommy gonna blow it for you. เป่าครับ This is his favorite vegetable and this is the only one vegetable that he loves to eat. And also some mushroom. He loves mushroom too. A little bit hot. Is this yummy, honey? Sit down and you tell your friend it's yummy.
Wow.
Okay. You like it? Want to have some more? Okay. Okay, guys. I think this clip with me and Sen have to say goodbye because then we're gonna finish this. Okay, let's see on the next clip video. Sen hot look. It's too hot. Okay, we say goodbye to the fans. Goodbye, fans. See you on the next clip.